Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. See, in matrices, in 1.1 exercise, so lot of things they have done in new syllabus is excellent syllabus they framed. Actually, my suggestion is what? Don't study for the marks. Try to get the knowledge. Each and everything you can read, you become the master. Marks doesn't matter. Marks may come, go. If you particularly 4-5 problems, if you prepare, automatically you will get the marks. So getting the marks doesn't matter. Anyway, you get the marks. But knowledge is different. Once if you get the knowledge, it won't go anywhere. It will stay with you till lifelong. Now, new syllabus of a +2 Tamil Nadu is excellent syllabus they framed. Compared to CBSE also the very strong syllabus their syllabus framed. Try to learn each and everything, try to understand first. See, application of a matrices to cryptography. Cryptography means it deals with a number theory. Now so many places you see everywhere they are doing artificial intelligence, big data, lot of things are there. Everything internally linked with statistics and number theory and everything is interlinked. So only one problem they have done, they will give coding and encoding. One word they will give, you can fix some numbers for that you can code. Once if you get the code, how to go back to the actual word like this. Coding, encoding, encryption, decryption, lot of things are there. We do. It's very, very important. They will give, don't worry, coded matrix they will give. Some words they will tell, some hi, thank you, thanks a lot, welcome, so happy birthday, lot of things are there. They will give, just you can, such a way you can frame the matrix, then code it. Once if you code the if you get the code, how to get the back to the actual words. That is there. Just we explain, you see. By doing the problem, I explain. In example, they given. In example, they given, you see. Welcome word given, and they are telling use 1 to 26. That is A, B, C, D, E. A you can give label 1, B you can label 2, C you can label 3, Z you can label 26. Then you can frame such a way. Matrices order, column matrix or row matrix. I will explain one by one. While doing you will understand. Suppose while framing the matrices, if there is doesn't any letter placed, means you can put as a 0. That element place you can put a 0, because while doing the multiplication such a way I want the order, then only I can able to multiply. Suppose you see they will go. First they will go encoding matrix. See in example, page number 14 is very, very important, good problem. Encoding matrix A is equal to is telling 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 0 1 0 0. Then message matrix they are telling welcome. Message matrix, you can frame these words message. See, welcome. You can give the letters A, B, C, Z, 1, 2, 3, 26. Such a way you can label. That is your work. No, I don't want to go deeply for what letter, what is the number, that you can find out. Now you see, now I want to first what code, I want to code this word girls. Now I want to give some numbers. Welcome, this matrix is what 3 by 3. 3 by 3 I want to get me, so this also I want to frame a 3 by 3 matrix. How can I use well one letter, COM one letter, then E. So remaining I want 2 letters 0 0. This is one group, this is one group, this is one group. Getting or not? Now because 3 by 3 also I want, I can able to multiply, means what this how can I write? I will give the letters. This time copying because very less time. How can I give this? Well is what, this W letter is what I will give 23. If for E I will give 5. You can check because I am not doing this 12. Then now I will go 3, 15, 13. E is what again 5. I need another two elements, so I will take blank place means what, you can take 0 0, then only I can able to multiply. Suppose this is 1 row 3 column means what, this 3 by 3 means what, this is 1 row 3 by 3, then only I can able to multiply. Otherwise you can frame a 3 by 3 matrix also, nothing will happen. Your textbook they have done like this. So this is what you can frame the message matrix. Here message matrix is what, M is equal to 23 5 12 3 15 13, E is what, 5. There is no two letters are there, I am taking 0. This is message matrix. This is I am choosing A. Then I will find MA. MA I will get what, coded matrix. After coding for this letter something code. Not only fix 1 2 3 4. You can, as you like, you can fix, because understanding a problem I am telling 1 2 3. If you want you can take A, you can give 11. B, you can give 20. That is your code, you only understand. Nobody will understand, nobody will crack. Generally for understanding uniformly we are telling initially 1 2 3 4. If you want you can take any number. As you like you can do. That is the coding is, that is in your wish. Nobody will crack. You only know that opposite person, your friend, those who are sending them, then there only though nobody will crack. Okay, that cracking is also possible. That is the next story. Now A given, this A is called what, encoding matrix. This is message matrix. This is uncoded row matrix. Now we can find MA. MA you will get what? Getting or not? Find MA, then shall above. So given one encoded matrix, one message they given. For message I fixed alphabets A, B, C, D according to 1 2 3. If I am not able to place the number letters, no letter means I am giving 0 0. If letter there means what, any letter means I can give. Suppose thanks a lot, something B like this you can fix. If you don't confuse me what, then I will give the letter, they can find out. It's not a big deal. Now find out MA. M is equal to what, 23 5 12 3 15 13 5 0 0. Who is A? 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 0, 1 0 0. You can, MA if you find means what, you will get the coded matrix. What you will get, 45, first row first column, first row first column. Just I am skipping, you can check actually. Example, so I am not doing. 46 minus 18 3, 5 minus 5 5. This is what, coded matrix. In your textbook what is taking first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. This element only is fixing 45 minus 28 23. I am given doing as a matrix. As you like you can do it, doesn't matter. Now I got the coded matrix. Now what, this is the coded matrix. If I send means what, they have to encode actually what letters you have to send up to means what you have, how you will get. So this is coded matrix is what, MA. In my hand MA is there. What I will do, I will get back M. If I get back M is what, my job is over. Correct or not? So what you will do, MA is there. MA is in my hand. I want to get M. So what you will do? Just post multiply by A inverse. Job is over. See how nicely. So lot of things is there. Maths like a ocean. There is no end. What we have only juice. They have done lot of research work. Just they are giving juice only. You can drink and enjoy. lot of research. This is not only just not like that comes. It's like a research paper. Recently I attended in my university one conference. They talked about the same thing as in different way. When your level, okay, this is also in your level. Tough only is very great attempt for you also. If you go higher studies means what? You become master while doing the research, you may utilize this. See, what is understand MA in your hand? You want to get M is what? Find A inverse. Job is what? Then you can find the A inverse. Just also this is I'm copying. A inverse, what you will do? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. So many problems I have done previously in 14 videos. Just you can find. Just I am writing this. A inverse is equal to what? 1 by determinant of adjoint of A. So this fellow is equal to what I will get? 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. After doing lot of things, I will get this. Just I am skipping. Now what I want to get, so I have coded matrix MA available in my hand. Then decoding matrix is what? A inverse. So MA A inverse equal to I will get the decode row matrix. Actually in coded matrix I will get. So what you will get here? MA is what? Coded matrix what I got. So 43 minus 28, 23, 46 minus 18, 3, 5 minus 5, 5. You understand this is MA, this is nothing but is what? Coded matrix. I am encrypting, decrypting already, but I am going back to actually shape my shape. MA, this is coded matrix. I want to encrypt means what? A inverse I want. 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. So just you can do. You do everything correct means what? No need to multiply. Blindly connect. You have to get this fellow. From this is what? WEL COME. This is no letters actually. No X actually. It's blank. I got back or not? Back to pavilion. I reached the old shape. This is what? WEL COME. No letters. Empty places. Welcome. What is the codons? So this is the way of doing. So don't confuse. In our textbook again I am telling, I am taken as a single matrix. If you don't want means first row you can take first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Already I told you how to multiply. In first row means what? First row first column. This is first row second column, first row third column. This fellow only you will get. If you take second row separately, if you multiply, this fellow alone you will get. Third row if you take means what? This fellow alone you will get. I am attacking as a matrices. Multiplication matrix. If you want separately, you can take single matrix. You can take. You can attack. Nothing will happen. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye. We meet you in next problem.